Preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club with Parikshet and me, Savan. Today we are gonna once again draw a very easy trick drawing using our wrist. And we'll need a black sketch pen and a Sharpie. So this is how we keep our hands.
Yeah, already made this.
Okay, let me just do that.
You already have.
Okay.
What's
Okay, take this one.
Wait. Oh yeah.
You just wait.
Yeah, just give me that.
The ears, the eyes.
This is a cow.
Make a guess, what is this drawing all about?
I already said it.
No, you can still guess. Might be you're not get right. Quite possible, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right.
Okay. This is giraffe.
I thought this was a cow.
That is what I said. Make a guess. Maybe you're wrong.
I also said maybe I'm.
Okay. Now we use yellow color and brown color.
Where's my yellow?
I'm done. Are you done, Parikshet?
Yeah. Where's the brown color?
It's here.
The yellow one?
It's here.
The new.
Both are new.
Yeah.
So friends, we are done with this drawing of a giraffe using our hands once again.
Yeah.
It was like this. No, it was like this. We did it like this, right? Yeah. So we did it like this.
Like this.
Okay. So how was your drawing? How did your drawing come up? Just share with us on Instagram and tag us at the rate KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag KidsFunLearnClub to see some amazing, to win some amazing goodies.
Yeah.
See you in the next drawing. Have a wonderful day and then. Bye bye.